The PA625 is a high-performance broadband acoustic treatment engineered to absorb a minimum of 85% of sound energy. The PA625 is available in either 600 by 600 or 600 by 1200 sizes. The PA625 is made from 100% polyester fiber with a cushioned backing and a hard compressed face to optimize sound absorption over a broad range. The hard surface has a protective layer that should be removed after installation. The panel can be directly fixed using Sidal T-Rex. Apply adhesive to the cushion side. Run a bead of adhesive around the perimeter of the panel, as well as an X from corner to corner. Add a small dob in each corner and the panel will adhere directly to the ceiling.